Hello and welcome. You've arrived just in time to learn how easy it is to create your very own Melocard. These are a new product available at Melocards.com, and they are musical e-cards full of beautiful designs and original music by yours truly. They're so easy to make and they're perfect for that last-minute Christmas greeting. So let's go to the website and see how to do it. So here we are at the web page. And we scroll down. This will get going in a minute. Yes, here we go. And there's a little bit of chit chat. And then we reach this button. And all you do is click Make a Melocard. Now, I'm going to choose this animation. At the moment, we're brand new. And the animations, the graphics, and the music will grow over time. But these are all perfect, of course, for Christmas. So then you click Next. Now, all these are either completely original songs by me or arrangements that I've done, and you might want to test it out. Hear a sample before you select your piece of music, and then you go Next. And again, these lovely designs are perfect for Christmas, and there'll be more as time goes on. I'm going to choose this Christmas tree, and I'm going to have a look at that one. No, I think I'll go back to the Christmas tree. And then you can go here, and here is where you can insert your original text. And when you're happy with it, you click Next, and it takes you to a preview. Now, at any time, if you change your mind, you can go back, you can click one of these buttons and reselect. But I'm going on to my preview, and this is where it shows you how the card's going to arrive in your recipient's email. They click on it and it opens up and the animation happens. Lovely. And then we go to the main body of the card, and you have up to 1,000 characters, so you can say as much as you like, lots of lovely comments about whoever you're sending the card to. Then all you do is go to Finish and Send. In this box, you put your name and your email, and then your recipient's name and their email, and you can choose whether it goes instantaneously, or if you wish, you can send it later, and they give you a date. Or you can choose to send the card yourself, and it comes to you, and then you can forward it at the time and day of your choice. And when you filled that in, you click Pay and Send, and there you go. Now, all those songs that you saw, they're available in our Christmas concert, which is there up at YouTube for the Love of Song. And it will be available until the 6th of January. It's an absolutely gorgeous hour of Christmas music. It's moving, it's fun, it's lots of visuals. It's got so much for everybody, and we're really proud of it and really thrilled to share it with you. So please do take a look at that. And every time you buy one of these cards, you can know that you're supporting musicians and performers and creators, and helping to spread our music and our channel and our website around the world, and giving the gift of Christmas to your loved ones. So we really hope that you've enjoyed this demonstration and that you'll take advantage of the Melocards and of our Christmas concert, which is the gift of Christmas. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell. Have a nice day.